You're sitting on a plane, engine roaring, people talking. You put these on and everything just disappears. That is the Sony WH-1000XM6. Is it actually worth it? Let's get into it. Link is in the description. So what can these actually handle? Travel and commuting gets a 9.8 because the noise cancellation on flights and trains is genuinely class-leading. Work from home focus also sits very high at 9.5. These are perfect for blocking out a noisy house. But casual gaming only gets a 6.8. There is noticeable audio delay, and they're just not designed for that use case. Daily performance now. Noise cancellation scored 9.7. Sony used new processors here, and the difference is real. It is not just marketing. Battery gets a 9.0 because 30 hours of actual use is excellent. Touch controls, though, sit at 7.2. They work, but you will accidentally skip tracks or trigger things without meaning to. Small thing, but it does get annoying. User experience. Sound quality is a 9.3. Warm, detailed, great for music and podcasts. Comfort scored 8.4. They feel great for a couple of hours, but longer sessions, some people feel pressure on the ears. The Sony app gets a 7.5. It works fine. EQ is useful, but it feels outdated compared to what competitors are doing. Who is this for? Remote workers get a 9.8 match. Honestly, if you work from home, this might be the single best purchase you make this year. Frequent travelers at 9.7. Take these on every flight. Casual gamers, though, only 6.5. The latency and mic quality just are not there for gaming sessions. Final verdict. ANC and sound quality are genuinely best in class. The app and touch controls hold it back slightly. But overall, this scores a 9.1 out of 10 on our real use rating. If silence and sound quality matter to you, this is the one. Best deal link is right in the description. See you in the next video.